This is the gluten-free chocolate cake we made today. I'm going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we're going to start by cracking 5 eggs. With the bowl, you can have a 360 degree angle view of the kitchen. Here are the eggs in the bowl. Now we're going to take a cup and a half of regular sugar. I had some trouble getting it out because we don't have so much left. Now we're going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Now we're going to take 1 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to put the bowl in the mixer and mix it right up. I mix it on low speed till it becomes light and fluffy. This took me around 3 minutes. Okay, so it's light and creamy, so we're going to turn it off and go get our other ingredients to add in. Okay, so we're going to take half a cup of cocoa and 3/4 cup of potato starch and pour that straight into the mixing bowl. Mix it for around 5 minutes. Okay, while that's mixing, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vinegar into a bowl. We're going to mix it and you could kind of see like a little chemical reaction. Now we're going to add it into the bowl. Just gonna mix that in. Okay, so now that we're done mixing, we're gonna go and pour it into our pan. Now we're gonna pour the batter into our lightly greased 9 by 13 inch pan. This is what it should look like once it's in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven to bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so while that's in the oven, we're going to make our frosting. We'll start with 1 cup of confectionery sugar. Now we're going to take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now we're going to take 3 tablespoons of hot water. Now we're going to take 3 teaspoons of oil. I just did 6 half teaspoons because my teaspoon was dirty. Now we're going to mix that. I'm going to coat because I had to pause the video for a minute. So if it's too thick, then you could just add some more hot water like I did here. Okay, and this is what your frosting should look like. It's kind of like a glazed frosting. It's been around 40 minutes, and now I'm going to take my cake out of the oven. Stop. Little trick is if you don't know if your cake is done yet, you can take a toothpick and put it straight in, and if no batter comes up, like it looks a little raw in the middle, so if no batter comes up, that means it's fully cooked. Now we're going to frost the cake. And this is the final product. I added some sprinkles. You can decorate it how you like. Thank you for watching.